Living by yourself out in the middle of nowhere is a lonely life. Sooner or later, depending on how bullheaded you are, you're going to want to find a partner to share in your pain. Finding someone to share your discomfort with while doing chores like gardening and raising animals, it's not going to be easy. But it's vital if you want to build a life together on your self-sufficient homestead. When it comes to finding a partner, low expectations will be make or break. Now is not the time to be picky. You need someone, anyone, who is willing to work hard, get their hands dirty while performing mind-numbing, often dangerous projects. If you're ready to find love because self-sufficient love isn't nearly as much fun as doing it with a partner love, you're in the right place. Live life DIY with Rob. Looking for love and nobody likes me. You guys enjoying the pool on this hot day? To quote an imaginary movie character, what do you say we both be independent together? Living a self-sufficient homestead life is challenging, especially when you're doing it on your own. I'm going to focus on guys looking for a female partner or a wife. Ladies, this will work for you too if you're looking for a male partner. But hey, let's be honest. Guys are far more likely to think that they are the master of their own destiny. And the pipe dream of growing their own food and living in harmony with nature, hey, that it can be done alone. So, how do you start? Where do you start? Looking for that low expectation potential wife. You want to avoid big cities. Finding a woman in New York City that you can convince, talk into thinking, living in a Craigslist $750 camper is classy, ain't gonna happen. Letting her know you have a year's supply of toilet paper might seem like a positive, but when she finds out that she's gonna be pooping in a bucket, avoid big city women. Embarking on this adventure will not be without its challenges. Here's a proven method that is sure to work. There's no downside to this method. If it works, you get yourself a partner, a wife. If it doesn't work, you have a fun story to share with your prison cellmates. Head to a Walmart or a Target, and the more rural the area, the better, because the female to male ratio is 10 to 1, and they're already looking for things that they don't need. While roaming the aisles, keep in mind your goal is finding a partner who shares your values. This is about finding someone that you will be able to persuade, brainwash into living in a cheap rundown camper in the middle of nowhere, and that it's going to be a rewarding life. And then you see her ahead of you in the water aisle. You're shopping in the water aisle, wearing a rather plain blouse and a short skirt. Nothing too fancy, nothing too flashy. You're thinking, yep, she could be the one. She stops, her feet firmly planted about shoulder width apart. She bends over to grab a 48 pack of water from the bottom shelf. No unmentionables are covering up her unmentionables. Everything down there, you can see it. You can't believe your good fortune. At this moment, you know that she is the woman for you. Perfect for living the simple, self-sufficient life. A woman that hates doing laundry to the point that she prefers wearing as few clothes as possible. A woman that goes shopping without any underwear on. Hey, she's a keeper. And remember, if at first you don't succeed, keep trying until you're really, really in trouble. Finding a partner who shares your passion for the self-sufficient homestead lifestyle, it can be rewarding. Hey, miracles do happen. Building a life together on the homestead is not just about sharing in the chores and the responsibilities. It's about creating a deep and meaningful connection with nature, the land, and each other, because self-sufficient love isn't nearly as much fun as doing it with a partner love. Let's be independent together.